First of all, thank you to Jan from Blender Secrets. If you haven't watched any of his videos, then I would very strongly recommend that you subscribe to him. All very short and very informative. In this video, I basically follow Jan's flow, but I do a few things differently so I can use non-destructive modifiers for all the beveling. So I mark the corners and the edge as vertex groups so I can apply different types of bevels to those. I also make the cylinders into a collection, and then I use the Boolean modifier with a collection, which is sometimes useful. And finally, with the final bevel, you will notice that when the shading is smooth, you end up with strange edges where the modifier has divided the planes. And this can be fixed to some extent by using a different profile to effectively make the two edges of the bevel lie on the plane of the surface. And I show two ways of doing that.